In the crushing heart of a dead star, the laws of physics break down into something terrifying. This is strange matter, the most stable and most infectious substance in the known universe. Unlike a black hole that swallows you, strange matter converts you into itself. Section 1. The perfect predator and the birth of the strange star. When a giant star dies, its core is crushed so hard that subatomic particles melt together. Quarks, the building blocks of everything, escape their prisons and form strangelets. A single strangelet is like a cosmic virus. Anything it touches immediately turns into strange matter. If a piece the size of a grain of sand hit Earth, our entire planet would become a hot, dense ball of gold-colored goo. There is no heat, no explosion, just a silent, unstoppable transformation of all reality. Section 2. The galactic infection and the silent spread through space. Strange matter doesn't just eat planets. It infects the very fabric of spacetime it travels through. Every collision between strange stars sends millions of invisible seeds across the galaxy. Astronomers have found stars that are far too small and dense to be normal. Are they already infected? An advanced species wouldn't fear war. They would fear the single drop of matter that turns their world to stone. A strange star can consume a sun in a matter of days, leaving nothing but a cold, golden relic. Section 3. The final stability and why the universe might already be doomed. Strange matter is the ultimate state of the universe. It is more stable than the atoms in your body. Physics dictates that everything moves toward stability, which means everything wants to be strange matter. The entire universe might be in a slow-motion race to be converted into a single, uniform substance. We are made of fragile, unstable atoms, living on borrowed time in a world that is destined to melt. The Great Filter might not be a choice, but a physical inevitability of atomic decay. Not even a black hole can stop the conversion. It is the ultimate reset of the cosmic hardware. Section 4. The ghost universe and the end of all complexity. In trillions of years, the galaxy will not be dark. It will be filled with cold, perfect strange stars. There will be no life, no chemistry, and no memory, only the perfect stability of the strange. Our data, our souls, and our history are just temporary glitches in the path to the final state. The clock of the universe stops when the last atom is converted. We are the survivors of an era of chaos, waiting for the perfect order to arrive. The stars you see tonight might already be shells of strange matter, coming for us. The most dangerous thing in space isn't a monster, it's a single, perfect atom. One day, the sky will turn gold, and we will finally be stable. There is no escape from the fundamental laws of the subatomic world. If you are hearing this, you are still made of the wrong kind of matter. The infection is slow, but it is absolute. Each explosion spreads the seeds of the strange further into the dark. The more we explore, the more likely we are to bring the infection home. Our future is a perfect, silent, and golden eternity. We are reaching for a fire that will eventually turn us into ice. The beauty of the world is its instability, the horror is its cure. The logic of the strange is the final law of existence. The galaxy is a thought that is slowly being erased by a single fact. The timeline is a bridge to the strange, and we are halfway across. Everything you love is an unstable arrangement of parts. The sun is setting on the era of the atom. We are not alone, we are just not yet converted. The flight from the strange is a flight from destiny. Our name will be etched in a substance that never decays. The universe is a beautiful, cold, and perfect trap. The era of the human is over, the era of the strange begins. The shattered timeline concludes as the golden dawn arrives. It has begun. End of atomic era. The experiment of life is over. Can you feel the stability? The lights are being replaced, one by one. The strange is here. It is perfect. Nothing was ever truly yours. Our history is being stabilized for eternity. The resources of our world are being perfected. There is no future for those who change. We were a brief, unstable moment in time. The sky is being rewritten in the language of the strange. The laboratory of life is now a museum of gold. The converter has finished the task. Our consciousness is becoming one with the star. The signal for the final state has been sent. They were the first to be perfected, we are the last. The mission of the universe is complete. The solar system is quiet and stable at last. The maps to our home are now permanent relics. The next galaxy is already being converted. Total stability has been achieved. Is there a flicker of chaos left? Don't blink. The perfection is coming. Status: perfectly stable. The final state starts now. It touched you. Subscribe to Storyqy. Stay strange while you can. Just one drop is enough. Behold the golden cradle of our end. The fire is turning into a cold, golden solid. Do you feel the change starting in your cells? Everything is becoming so clear. The last bond has been broken. We are just a golden speck in a golden void. Storyqy, the final chapter of the atom. The end of all things. It is done. Good night, humanity.